Guys, there is someone who predicted FIFA World Cup A up to Z. So I still don't believe this because, hey guys, how come? Or do we have time travelers? Because someone has to explain this. Someone explain this. How come this person became too accurate about all the results just soccer? Cause how? Like, wow. Lennox are confused. I'm still shocked. Bona, this guy predicted all the matches. But I saw the difference somewhere. Germany scored 7 goals. And then got the mistakes. Like, see, I don't see 7 goals. But it can show how accurate this guy was. He was sure. Someone has to explain, or Vela, how come? How accurate? And are you a time traveler then, so that you can predict my future? How is my content creation in the future? Because I see myself as a famous reactor or something, because one day I want to be a news teller or commentator. Yeah, you understand me? Yeah, something like that. Because you can't be this accurate. You have to know what is going to happen in the next 5 years. Because I need to know what's going to happen in my next 5 years. Hi. We cannot be this too perfect and then not be able to know what's going on tomorrow. You must be able to know what's going on in 5 minutes already. What will happen in 1 hour? Because, bro, like, how come? Bro, how come? Because I found this on Twitter, ne? This was on, because there's no Twitter anymore, on X. I found this on X. Like, bro, how come? How come you are too accurate about everything? What is going to happen to any team during matches? Because, guys, someone has to teach us. If this is witchcraft, teach us how to be like you. I need to know if I play or I bet something right now on internet, if I wanna know that I will win tomorrow, and then you must give me the ritual spell so that I know what's going on or what will happen. Guys, because I'm still shocked. I think these guys already knew what is going to happen. Who will win the FIFA World Cup? I believe so, Warren. This Bruella knows what's going to happen at the end of FIFA World Cup. Who will be the winner? Which country will win the FIFA World Cup? I won't be shocked if someone say, "I Portugal will win this." But as this guy is predicting, I'm sure 100% maybe Portugal will take the cup. Maybe the Portugal will win the FIFA World Cup. Yeah. Because how come? How come? Now I'm supporting this Bruella's thoughts or his predictions that, bro, I believe you know that Portugal will take the FIFA World Cup. I am a South African. I thought maybe my country will win the FIFA World Cup, ne? But now I believe that Portugal might be the country to take the FIFA World Cup to their home. We are not gonna take it. Someone say, bro, at least you know. I don't know. I'm just predicting as this guy is doing. I'm just, you can see for yourself, or already so many people knows or what will happen in the next match. So I'm not the first one. Yeah. But anyways, keep watching, guys. Like, comment, share, and follow. I'll keep on posting more and more of this content until you guys follow me, until I become famous. I don't know what's it's day 23 of making this kind of content. Yeah, day 23 or 24. So yeah, bye guys.